Hey YouTube, I got a box of awesomeness, or Airsoft GI mystery box, and I ordered something there too, so I'm gonna open this up first and we'll get to the mystery box.
Hell yeah. What did you all order?
Tactical vest, BBs, and a safe face mask. Here's my OD mask.
Ooh, I was fucking sick.
Premium BBs. And my OD green
Ooh,
plate carrier.
That's nice. I like how it's not so big.
Yeah. That's it for that.
Okay,
and here's the box.
I'm moving for this shit.
Ordered it Saturday and it got here Friday, so I'm impressed with that because it's UPS. They usually have shitty ass shipping.
There's your slow fuck. Damn. Well, let's see what you get.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a fucking piece of shit gun, huh?
Ooh,
It's a black box, dude.
that's definitely not the car.
That's
I'll
not
just tell you
car,
that
dude.
much. I think that's a VFC. Oh.
Dude, I got the KWA.
Oh, you got the KWA CQR.
I'm impressed.
That's pretty tits. How much was the box?
185. How the fuck do I get this out?
Let's take a look at this gun. Fuck you.
Fucking.
What was the point of that? Having some problems. You guys can probably see that.
Whatever. Everything's full metal on it. I'm impressed.
That was really clean.
Heavy as shit. There it is. KWA.
Thanks for watching.